Are you a car person? Well, then we've got the show for you. Dream State TV. Today's episode, welded diffs and ankle mod.
Hi, welcome back to Dream State TV. We've been gone for 6 weeks. In case you didn't notice, I've been gone for 6 weeks on the road, alone. Missed by many, I think. Josh, did you miss me?
Today on Dream State TV, we're tearing apart an S chassis.
On today's episode, we're tearing apart an S chassis.
We gotta smarten up around here.
We?
And just like that, we're gonna jack this up.
Patent pending.
There's a bumper.
Yeah. Tom's patent pending technique here. It's a Pilates workout for dad bods.
Okay. And you can release it for good, or at least for good for now.
What Josh is doing right now is removing the drive shaft from the differential.
I'm
just
disconnecting it really, because I'm just gonna not bother prying because the whole diff is coming out anyway. So why fight it more?
Yeah. It shouldn't have to get pried anyways because I measured incorrectly.
Okay,
so
it's short.
Yeah, it's a little short.
So slippy boy anyway.
Yeah, there's a little bit of play. It's nice.
Perfect. Couldn't feel better. These are some pretty solid bolts that you got in this exhaust here, bub.
Thanks.
You did good. You did good choosing those.
Thanks.
That's a nice one.
That was all Derek.
That were Derek's.
Thanks, Derek. Yeah. Derek, you did a really good job choosing these bolts.
Oh, are you just manhandling that?
Yeah.
Shh. Quiet your face.
Ow!
I remember now why I don't like working on cars.
God. Oh, God.
There it is.
That is a good one.
We're twins.
I punched him pretty hard.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
That looks like just raw enough for it. Hit it.
There you go. I wanted to catch the waterfall.
Gross.
Oh! Almost. Smell it. Smell it. Smell
Please,
it. Can you smell
please
it?
actually work on your own car. If you don't understand why we're saying that.
Yeah. It's the worst.
So when the planetary gear and the pinion gear meet together, they're like kind of slash cut.
Mm-hmm.
So these actually drive into the gear as
Hard to see, but it's in there.
it spins around.
Mm-hmm.
Can you see it down in there?
Yep.
So as it goes together at high RPMs, the metal is just going to meet together.
Yep.
And it's naturally going to wear, which
Yeah.
is where you get this kind of slimy sludge from.
And that's so slash cut gears like this are helical gears are quieter, which for regular transmissions and for diffs is what consumers want. And then dog boxes are straight cut gears.
Got gear oil on my sweatshirt.
Ugh, gross. So when it's like straight cut, they're just like two gears like riding on each other flat, whereas a helical kind of has a step motion to it. Watch your eyeballs. That stuff's no good for them.
Ears, balls.
So just cleaning out the diff, just trying to get the oil and stuff like that out of there so it doesn't light on fire when it gets welded.
Oh, one thing.
Yep. Yeah. Yep. Find your cuts. Yeah.
Oh boy.
Yep.
One thing that that I forgot to mention when we did our exploder diff welding.
Yeah.
when you weld the diff, normally you don't just go in cold.
You probably should heat it up a little.
You gotta heat them up. That's probably why it broke all the gears in the exploder. We forgot to mention that to the fans.
Yeah.
Recording. Ah! Attach your ground. Turn your gas on. Follow the instructions to something. Yeah. 21.6, 291. That's what we're welding at. Is it right? Probably not. All right, Spence. Explain to the viewers at home, what are you doing?
Making a little plate for the diff.
Okay.
We're gonna try and plate it, I guess.
That's one platey boy.
Boom. Roll that beautiful plate footage.
On this side, we'll be plating in a moment. Bingo.
Like, if you can plate a diff, just plate it.
Always.
Like, people say, like, welding the spider gears is, like, good enough. But we've seen those grenade.
I mean,
They happen.
This did literally, the Laurel
can't
did
speak.
grenade a diff already.
Yeah.
So now that we've cleaned this, Spencer is gonna put some right stuff on there to seal it up and hopefully stop it from leaking all over.
their storage.
We got the Schmierdegots on the Flavity Goat.
$100 on the show.
All right.
Yeah, right.
Sold. But I mean, this one, like this one here.
Boom.
I like going back by hand as well too, just to make sure.
On the throughway. So 8 minutes from there to the throughway,
Not bad.
and then another 10 to angle.
Oh yeah, they're good.
You know what I mean?
I'm
But
gonna see
look,
if, like, a lot of people have done
Yeah, no, we're good.
look at. Are we doing this or what?
You want to push it in farther? Keep going. Okay. Keep going more.
No more?
Okay, now Jack.
Going slowly as to not pinch anyone's fingers.
Much appreciated, actually. I got one. There we go.
I got it.
Okay, like idiots, we didn't
Grab the
bring that
bolts.
cup anywhere near us.
Oh, we didn't grab the nuts.
Hold it right there.
I got it.
Try to get it on. You can drop that. Really that much of a piece of shit?
Yes. I got something in my eye. This is where we say, to be continued. And also, like, share, subscribe. And because we're making this a 2-part episode, here's some outtakes. Enjoy.
We don't believe in God, babies, seals,
Seal,
Marshmallows.
seal.
the rapper.
Yeah, I wouldn't say he's a rapper.
Be f***ing quiet. We are recording. Oh.
Wow. Did I do it? Did I do it?